Hello, Assalamu alaikum, it's me Sabina with my August 2022 newsletter video blog summary. This month I'm continuing to recover from a shoulder procedure that I had in January, and I'm learning to live with the pain in my right shoulder. I completed module 1 of the World Pulse Changemaker Lab program, and I was invited to participate as a member of the PI steering committee. This is the World Pulse Power, Inclusive and Excellence steering committee. So many thanks to the World Pulse team and board. And I look forward to recording another video for you next month. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye for now. Walaikum assalam.